Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to display characters in Microsoft Excel. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. According to ANSI code, we can write the characters by using numbers that 1 to 255. In that first 31 character are non-printing characters. That means not possible to display. And the 32 is the space. To write the characters, I'm going to open new sheet. Just click on this plus icon. Here draw the numbers. I'm going to draw numbers from 1 to 30. Enter 1. Just click on this small square. Just drag like this. I'm going to drag up to 30. Click on this arrow. Select fill in series. Okay. Now enter 31. Just drag like this. Click on this arrow. Select fill in series. Repeat the same thing up to 255. Okay, I drawn the numbers. Now I'm going to write function, that is character function. Enter is equal to CHAR. Press tab key. Select this number. Now press enter key. Just drag like this. First 31 are non-printing characters. That means not possible to display. Just copy and paste here. Drag like this. See, it started writing characters. Repeat the same step. Just drag like this. According to ANSI code, we can write the characters up to 255 number. After that, it is not possible to write any character. Here we can observe it written the numbers. It written the alphabets in uppercase, alphabets in lowercase. By using this function, we can write the alphabets in series. Just open one more Excel sheet, enter the function CHAR, press tab key, enter the row function, press tab key. Alphabets starts from 65 number. Enter A65, close the bracket once more. Now press enter key. Just drag like this. Yes, it successfully written the alphabets in uppercase. If you want to write the alphabets in lowercase, that is also possible. Repeat the same step. Enter is equal to, enter character function CHAR, press tab key, enter row function, press tab key. Alphabets in lowercase start from number 97. Hence I am going to enter A97. Close the bracket. Now press tab key. Just double click on this small square. Yes, it successfully written alphabets in series. We can write the character by using Alt key. Just press and hold the Alt key, enter the number. For example, I'm going to enter 0169. See, it written copyright character. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.